Yo, what's good guys, it's Tron here. Today I'm going to be previewing the Void stem kit. It's got 20 loops, all with stems and midis as always. And we're just going to run through all the sounds and then I'm going to cook up a beat with one of them probably. So I'll let you hear these ones. So you get all the stems all separate. That's a bit of a grimy one. Got loads of different vibes in here. I tried to make it a mixture. I'm just keeping open the folders that I might cook up with. So yeah, got a range of vibes in there, loads of different genres kind of, and different melodies, drums, loads of patterns for you to take out, choose whatever you want from particular ones. So yeah, I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. I think I'm going to cook up with this one right now. So I'm just going to get the BPM, drag all the stems in, and I might add a counter melody, and I think I'm going to use some drums from my drum kit and some unreleased ones from my upcoming drum kit. Right, so I've got all the stems in here. I've chosen to only take these ones. I didn't take the bass because, as I say, you can customize it, use all the ones you really want. Then I'm just going to drag in all the midis, so I've got them to refer to when I'm doing counter melodies and bass lines. Right, now I'm going to jump over to my lift-off drum kit, which is out right now, and I'm going to choose some sounds from there. Right, so I've just taken this hat and this perk from my lift-off drum kit, and then I'm going to choose out some of these from my Odyssey drum kit, which is still in progress, will be out soon, so be on the lookout for that. Right, so this is my sound selection. I got this 808, this kick, clap, snare, hi-hat, open hat, perk, and another perk. Right, so I'm just going to add in an Omnisphere and do a little counter melody quick. So I'm going to use my Platinum Bank, which dropped the other week. It's got some dope sounds in here, so just going to find a good bell or pluck or something to pick out. Alright, I'm going with this bell, actually called Platinum. I'm just going to add something in, go along with these midis that I dragged in. Right, so I've just done this, it'll probably just come in the hook or something. I'm actually going to get rid of the hi-hat and do a custom one now. Add in a simple open hat. I'm going to pitch it down a bit. And now a snare bounce. And now some perks. Actually going to leave out this perk. It's got enough bounce as it is. Then I'm just going to set the 808 to cut itself and draw something in here. And then I'm just going to keep the kick simple, just the same as the 808, and then hit Alt K to get them all onto C. And I'm just going to need to sidechain that. Just delete out these, and then I'm going to put everything onto the mixer, do that sidechain, and we should be good to go. So I've had some people ask me how to do sidechaining, so I'm just going to do a quick thing here. So I just grab the kick, click here, sidechain to this track, and then on the kick, now on the 808 you want to open a limiter, because you can hear they're clashing because they're both similar frequencies. So then I'm going to go on the compressor, choose the kick that's sidechained, threshold to half, release to half, and your ratio and knee all the way up, and it'll sound like this. And you'll see here it's ducking the 808 here. Then you can adjust the threshold and release accordingly how you want it. If you want it to completely duck, but that sounds really weird, so you want to keep it kind of quarter to half. Sounds the best to me. And then you can play with the release. I'm going to have it quite short. So it just sits better in the mix now. The 808 is so hard, like can't wait for that new drum kit to come out so you guys can get your hands on that one. Alright, I just arranged that really quick in a simple pattern, and just to show you how easy it is to make beats when you've got these stems laid out for you. I had the midis there, I could easily lay along, like I made a beat in like 5-10 minutes. So yeah, it really helps your workflow and helps with inspiration if you've got beat block or you just can't think of anything. So I really hope you guys enjoy this kit, enjoyed the preview. Let me know what other type of kits you want to see in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.